Hello everyone, it's 29th day of practicing spoken English. Today I have completed 28th day of practicing spoken English. Now today is my 29th day. Yes, when I was in the class in the morning, I attended the class. My teacher taught us and gave us topic to speak tomorrow for at least 10 minutes, and the topic was beauty and brain. What would you choose? Beauty or brain? If you get married in future, what will you choose? A beautiful lady or a lady who has low beauty, who is ugly but she has brain. What will you choose? The topic gave by my sir. So we need to speak at least 10 minutes about this topic. So I speak here to practice, but I didn't write any note. I didn't prepare anything. I speak whatever comes in my mind. Let's start. According to my point of view, beauty is not depends on how she look, how people look. It depends on how she behave, how she talk with someone, how she replied, how she reply when she is in argument and she is not agree with them, and how she behave, how she respect other, how she talk, how she dress. So these are the terms matter as compared to looks. So if I have brain, I can maintain my beauty with my brain. For an example, if I look skinny but I am good looking, my face structure is good, but I am too skinny or too fatty, so I am not looking good as much I could be. But if I start workout by maintaining the routine, daily workout, and having best diet, having hygienic diet, and maintain everything with a proper plan, and everybody know we can arrange it with brain. So here I use my brain to maintain my beauty, to enhance my beauty. So brain is the primary thing to maintain the beauty. Beauty is the secondary thing. And then if we talk about marry, so I will like to marry a girl who has best communication skill, who knows how to talk with someone, who knows how to reply them who is not agree with her, who knows how to dress according to the places, and who knows how to respect others. So if she has this behavior, so beauty is the face structure, the look. We can say in we already say beauty is the those who have better face, good looking. No, but beauty is a with a proper health, physical and mentally both, is called beauty with brain. But I will always choose brain. If she has brain, she maintain my family very well. If I marry her according to her beauty, maybe she will leave me after any small argument, after any small misunderstanding, after a small communication gap. But if she has brain, she understand my feeling, she understand my thought, she understand my point of view. So according to my view, beauty is first, brain is first, and secondary is beauty. Okay, now it's 5 minutes completed. I speak topic. What will I choose? Beauty and brain. And I speak well. Now, remaining 5 minutes left. So, remaining 5 minutes left, I will speak. How can I give interview? First of all, they will ask some questions like, what is your name? My name is Sahaj Bhaskar. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. Right now, I am staying in Sector 22, Gurgaon. And Gurgaon is famous for technology and corporate sectors. It is also a cosmopolitan and metropolitan city. And if you know about my background, my academic was excellent, and academic performance was excellent, and I am also doing great by learning proficiency in English from Rise Academy, and I am on my first year of learning, and I also pursuing BCom honors from Delhi University SOL. And if you talk about why should we hire you, if they ask me question about why should they hire me, then I will speak, you should definitely hire me because I have all the skills that is relevant for this job. In this job, the jobber needs communication skills, better customer handling with patience and fluency in English, and I have all of these. So you should definitely hire me. And in fact, apart from this, I have another skills that I have mastered in computer, and I am punctual. I hit my gym every day. I don't miss any day. So you can see I am punctual, and I am dedicated towards my goal. And if you hire me, if you give me chance to work in your company, I will give my best to grow in your company, for your company growth. That's about me. If there is any chance for not hiring me, please, uh, if there is any chance for not hiring me, please tell me. I will improve it and I will enhance it. And another question maybe, what's your salary expectation? So as you know, I am not fresher. I have 6 months. I have 3 year experience in the sales field, and I also have 1 year experience in BPO, international voice process outsourcing. So my past experience in my previous jobs, I got 20,000 per month. So I can expect per month. I can expect more from the previous job, but I am here for grow. I do I don't have any number in my mind, and I know according to your company policies, you will give me best as per your policies. And he again said, what is your salary expectation? Then I will say 25,000 per month I can expect, but if I get some experience in future, then I will be expect little more. So it's 9 minutes completed. Today I speak in a manner, with a fluency. I'm not a perfect speaker, but I speak in a fluency. And then one last question, what's your strength? What's your strength and weakness? So my strengths are, first of all, I am dedicated towards my goal. I am a resilient person. If you give me any task, I will complete it within a given period of time. And I am reliable. You can trust me. Even if you are not there, if you are not present to see my task, I will also doing. And the another most important thing is I have all the relevant skills. I have better communication skills. I spent my 3 year in sales in Ganpati Honda as a sales executive. So I know how to handle the customer, and there were I need to talk with different type of customers. In Haryana customers, UP customers, from different type of customers from different regions, and they have their uh, own point of view. So I could I could solve their queries with single-handedly. It's like a piece of cake for me to handle the customer. And I have a strong vocabulary. I have a strong communication skills. I am confident. That's that's enough for this job to hiring. And if you talk about my weakness, yes, I have some weakness. If I didn't complete my task on time, I brooded. Oh no, this is the word vocabulary I used in my sentences in the morning. Now I use it in a video to enhance my spoken English without thinking too much. That's the power of 10 minutes speaking English. Okay, if I bloated and I thinking too much about the task, and take I didn't take I don't take any gap. It's 12 minutes completed now. I don't